Yes, you did the question as well. Okay, so let's look at the question now, see whether you're able to do or not. All right. Now, before we start the question, let me still go through some pointers, see whether is it familiar to you. Okay, the first one. When we add or subtract a positive or negative number on both sides of an inequality, the inequality does not change. The inequality sign does not change. Okay, so I give you an example. Let's say we have, let me just quickly write down. Let's say we have I give you a very obvious number, 7. Obviously, 7 will be greater than 2. Now, I'm going to add a positive number. Let's say I'm going to add 5 on both sides of the inequality. I'm going to add 5. So it's still valid. So this is going to be a 12, which is still greater than 7. Okay? I give you the next example. If I have a 2, okay, which is, let's say, less than, okay, 8. 2 is less than 8, definitely. Now, I'm going to subtract a negative, sorry, I'm going to add or subtract negative. So I'm going to add or subtract negative numbers. Okay, so subtract a number first. I'm going to subtract 6. I'm going to subtract 6. So this will amount to minus 4. 8 minus 6 give you a 2. So minus 4 is still less than 2. Okay? So whether you add a positive or negative number, add or subtract positive or negative number, the sign doesn't change. Okay, this is what it's talking about. All right. Now, same thing if you multiply, I'm going to use the same thing as 7 greater than 2. If you multiply a positive number on both sides, say you're going to multiply by 5. You're going to multiply by 5. So you still get 35, which is also still greater than 10. Okay, so what it means. Now, this is an important one that I want you to take note. When you multiply or divide by a negative number on both sides inequality, the inequality sign is reversed. Okay, that means you need to reverse. Otherwise, it will not valid. Okay, so what do I mean by that? I still use the same example. Still, I have 7 greater than 2. Now, multiply by a negative number. So I'm going to multiply by just minus 1 can already. So you're going to multiply by minus 1. So you're going to see the result here. This is a minus 7. This is a minus 2. So you realize that minus 7 has to be minus 2. So the inequality sign actually reverse. This is what it means. Okay. So I'm going to do likewise. Let's say I have a minus 7 smaller than minus 2. I'm going to multiply by minus 1. Multiply by minus 1. All right, so when you multiply by minus, I hope you know if you have a negative number, multiply by a negative number, actually you get a positive number. Okay, is that all right? Positive number. So you're going to get a 7 here, and you're going to get a 2 here. So what happened to your sign? Your sign need to reverse. Okay. So these are actual number. So what happens if you are using using the equation? Okay, what do I mean by using equation? If I have a minus x less than minus 7, then in other words, both sides you're going to multiply by minus 1. So you're going to have an x must be greater than 7. Okay, so this is what the third point is trying to tell you. So as we go along, we will look at this as well. So I'm going to ask, is this something new to you? Have the teacher taught you in school already? Okay, let's hear from Zuo Jun. Zuo Jun, do you know this already? Yes, Sherman.
Yes.
Yes, great. Okay, wonderful. So the next thing is I'm going to ask you, are you able to represent the inequality on the number line? Sherman, are you able to do it? Represent inequality on the number line? Yes. How about Zuo Jun? Yes, also. Great. Okay. So maybe Mr. Go just run through very quickly for inequality. Let's say we have x greater than 2. So I'm going to just list out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if it's greater than 2, what does it mean? I will write a point here and then I will move forward. So that's greater than 2. Okay, I'm going to represent it another one. X greater or equal to 2. So same thing here. I'm going to represent here and then I'm going to darken it and I will draw it here. Okay, is that new to you or you already know? Do you already know that if it's greater only, the point is, the dot is a hollow one, okay? That means it's not filled. Then if it's greater or equal, the hole is, the point or dot is filled. Is this okay to you, both of you? Yes, okay, great. Okay, now we look at the question. Okay, have you all attempted this ABC already? Or, Zojin, are you looking at this question the first time? First time.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, Mr. Ko, I'll let you look at this question. How about Sherman? Sherman, are you looking at this question the first time? Okay, let me see. I will give you 2 minutes to do this question. After you have done, you send the answer via the chat to Mr. Ko. Is that okay? Or do you need Mr. Ko to go through the question with you first? Okay, who wants me to go through the question with you first?
Go through.
Go through. So, how about Zhou Jun?
Go through.
Okay, never mind. We'll go through together, okay? Okay, let's look at this question. A bowl costs X dollar and a spoon costs Y dollar. Now, Alice bought 2 bowls and 2 spoons. The total cost was $9. Now, write down an equation in X and Y. Okay, so this is a bowl, X dollar. So 2 bowls will be actually 2X dollar. Now, a spoon, Y dollar. 3 spoon will be 3Y dollar. The total cost was $9. So what happened is, if I were to write the inequality, basically it will be 2x plus 3y equal to $9. So I can just remove the unit first. So that will be 2x plus 3y equal to 9. Is this okay? Is this simple enough? Okay, Mr. Go ask, any question about the part A? Anyone, any question? No question. Sherman, any question? Sherman, you have a question for part A?
No.
Okay, great. All right, B. Now we go on. Simon bought 5 bowls and 4 spoons. Now the total cost was $19. Write down an equation in X and Y. Okay, so now part B, maybe Mr. Ko asks you to attempt, do part B and tell me the answer. So you should be able to give me the answer in less than a minute. Okay, maybe I'll time you. 1 minute, give me the answer for B so that Mr. Ko know that you are okay with part B. Once you're done, you send me the answer. Okay, great. How about Zhuo Jun? Are you okay? Okay, great, wonderful. So both of you are able to do it. Now, you are supposed to solve the simultaneous equation to find the cost of a bowl and a spoon. Okay, can I give you 2 minutes to do that? It should be quite easy. Okay, let's try in 2 minutes, starting from now. So at the same time, I write down the two equations. Second equation will be 5x plus 4y. Any problem doing the simultaneous equation? Okay, are you still solving it? Let me know if you have any difficulty. Still give you some more time to do on your own first. Have you gotten the answer already?
No.
Okay, anyone need help or not? Anybody need help? Do you
Me.
need help? Sherman, do you need help?
Yeah, I need
Okay.
help.
So, okay, Georgine, are you